Good evening, folks. Welcome to Cars Lights. Your Shiraz today bring a very good deal on a good brand. After a long time, getting a Tata Tiago Diesel XE Revitron 1.05 liter diesel turbocharged 2017 model single owner car, driven just 61,000 kilometers on record. A beautiful Tata Tiago Revitron is famously known for its mileage. Guess what kind of mileage this beast, a small beast, gives you. This gives you about 24 to 26 in city and highways. Company, as per AREI, it gives you about 27 to 28. It's known for its killer mileage, the killer diesel engine, the Revitalk diesel engine 1.05 liter, gives a 90 bhp, just fantastic engine and fantastic body line, a 5-star NCAP global crashes ratings. The exit top 10 variant Tata Tiago 2017 model comes loaded with features like dual airbags, alloys, ABS, power steering, power windows, fog lamps, backwiper, dual tone interiors, a multimedia music system, electronic ORVM mirror adjustment, central locking with remote and reverse sensors as well. A beautiful car, 2017 model Tata Tiago Revitron diesel 2017 single owner, price at just 4,20,000 only and slightly negotiable. You also get 100% loan on this car for over 5 years duration. That means make a down payment of just 10 to 20,000 rupees and you can be a proud owner of this Tata Tiago. Best for city drives and long drives as well. Quite comfortable to drive in because of the 1.05 liter diesel engine. Quite good, neat and clean, and quite safety as well. So let's have a look at the entire review of the car and analysis and interiors as well. Like I said, this is the beautiful Tata Tiago diesel. Nice front chrome grills, as you can see, steel grills, the Tata Tiago Tata logo on it, and fog lamps. A beautifully designed. It's the golden gold dust or the orangish color it's called as. You can see excellent body line, very neat and clean, very well maintained. Except small scratches on the bumper which are visible. Doors are all genuine here, no accidents, nothing here. All doors, everything is all company serviced, company maintained, company seal, all intact, double sealing. So no accidents, no replacements, nothing. Even the A pillars, everything is all genuine. As you can see, company sealing all intact here as well. No accidents. The right side back door also genuine. No repaint and no accidents here. As you can see, the right side quarter panel doors and everything is all in genuine condition. The company sealing is all intact. Even the C pillars are also genuine. No accidents, nothing here as well. The quarter panel has been slightly one on a paint done right there on the quarter panel just to avoid scratches and dents. The back bumper is also very good, just small dot on a scratch there. It's a XE, top end XE variant, which is quite good. It's a Tata Tiago, comes with backlights and back wiper as well. You can see the bonnet, dicky open. It's a back tail lamp at the back too. You can see, let me open up the boot space. As you can see, it comes with a nice 200 liter boot space. Nice 200 liter boot space too. Very neat and cleanly kept. You can see all the corners on the right side are all genuine here. No accidents, no replacements there. And even on the left side collar pillars also is all genuine. No accidents there as well. And the boot floor, as you can see, quite decent enough, good. The boot floor, about 200 liter boot space. Nice 3-4 bags can be placed across. The stepney is also very good. It's about 90% in lightweight. Boot floor all genuine. No accidents, no repair on the boot floor. Toolkit, everything is all intact as well on the car. So that's the back boot space of the Tata Tiago. Quite good, neat and clean. Going back on the left side of the car, you can see left side entire car is neat, clean. No accident, no scratches, no repainting done over there. You can see the left side back door is also genuine with the company sealing all intact here. No accidents. Even the C pillars are all genuine and in good condition. The left side front door right there, as you can see, is all genuine here too. No accidents, no replacements, all genuine. No repaint, nothing. Even the pillar chassis number is all mentioned right there. The Tata Tiago, a very good bonnet. It's in quite good condition. As you can see, even the mirrors have mirror light indicators, reflectors too. And the tires, as you can see, are about 75% life left. 75 to 80% can be driven up to about another 20 to 25,000 kilometers. And all tires come with alloys as well. Coming back on the interior part, as you can see right there on the engine wise, on the front chrome grills and the fog lamps at the front too. beautifully maintained. Coming back on the right side apron, as you can see right there, company seal condition all intact, that means all genuine. The lower cross members and the upper cross members, the radiator support and the bumper support, headlight support is all genuine, no accidents, nothing. It's all 100% original, and even the left side aprons are all genuine with company seal and all intact here, and even the bonnet company seal double sealing is all intact as well. So no accidents in the front whatsoever till date. Battery also, as you can see, it's a 2019 battery. It has been replaced. So it's an Amaron battery, so you have 1 more year warranty left on the battery as well. Now coming back on the engine, which is the best part, this is a turbocharged 1.0 liter turbocharged engine, gives a nice 70 bhp torque, I guess. That's the best in class you can get. A smaller engine with a diesel turbocharge gives you a great mileage and fuel economy of about 24 to 25 in city and about 26 to 27 in highways, depending on driver and the driving condition. The car is just been serviced at 60,000 and now driven about 61 to 62,000 itself, with all company service records till date. Engine is in seal condition, oil servicing, everything has been done on the car. Not a single rupee to be spent on it as of now. That's the front part on the engine. Coming back, it also comes with a center locking with remote, with door lock, unlock options and the light options too, right there. And the mirror indicators, reflectors, and the front part, as you can see, comes loaded with all 4 doors, 4 windows at the front, right there, and has electronic ORVM mirror adjustment at the front too, and seat height and length height adjustments right there. Dual tone interiors at the front. And at the back also you have the same dual tone interiors and nice chrome handle door bars right there, and speakers, tweeters are installed right on the doors. All the 4 doors tweeters have been installed, and the power windows at the back compartment too. Quite nice, neat and clean at the space as well for your height and legroom too. Coming back on the features, let's turn on the car. As you can see, the car is driven about 62,000 kilometers there. You can see it comes with dual airbags, ABS, power steering, power windows, steering control. You have audio video for the Bluetooth options too, and audio video options on the steering mount controls. Dual airbags, 1 airbag for the driver right there, and the second airbag is for the co-passenger too, right there, second airbag there. And you have a dual tone digital multimedia infotainment system with reverse sensor, sorry, not camera. It has multimedia CD player with aux, USB output and Bluetooth as well. You have the aux and USB output right there. So that's the aux and USB output. AC controls, multimedia, economy mode, also AC can be run, and you have rear defogger as well. So that's the best part of the Honda Jazz. It also comes with nice chrome AC vents as well, and chrome door handles too. So that's the best part of the Tata Tiago. Now coming back, folks, on the details more, like I explained, is a 2017 model Tata Tiago XE Revitron 1.0 liter diesel turbocharged engine, a single owner car driven 62,000 kilometers on record. A top end variant comes loaded with features like dual airbags, ABS, alloys, power steering, power windows, AC controls, all electronic mirror adjustments, fog lamps, back wiper, center locking with remote and sensors too. All for a price of just rupees 4,20,000 only for this beast. A 2017 model with loan up to 100% loan options. Funding can be done on this car. That means give me down payment just 10,000 rupees and this beautiful Tata Tiago will all be yours with 1 year comprehensive warranty which covers under engine, gearbox and clutch. This warranty is available only exclusively at Cars Live only and nowhere else. The Tata Tiago 2017 model single owner car which gives a nice killer mileage, famously known for its crash test ratings which is 5-star, safety performance, a good Tata brand in the Tata car, a good product from Tata in India, make in India, local is what we are talking about. Then this car is all yours. Tata Tiago 2017 model, all for a price of just rupees 4,20,000 with all EMI and loan options too. Thank you for watching Cars Live. If you like this video, please share it and tag your friends. Thank you.